So do we're live. Ndote. Va. See, look at the camera. Look. Where your daddy sitting. Hmm? Yeah, good boy. Also, Nana. Bless you. Okay. Yeah, put the phone. Yeah. Toma bien, huevo. Duele. Toma bien. Hey, use your cap, Seth. Your mother will always want to wear you this cap. Hmm? Sorry. Are you okay? Sorry. Do 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 do. Come on, guys. Sorry. All right, what can I do? Your mother is in the bathroom. When she comes out, she will give you some. You want to sit like this? Is how you want to sit? All right, beautiful. Are you okay now? Love you, boy. This is your heart. Bless you. So, I'm a nursing father. These days, I don't even sleep at night. I have to stay awake till 4 a.m. before I'll sleep. Sometimes I'll have to change the boys' diaper. Must tell you, it's not easy to be a new father. Fatherhood. Sometimes this boy will wake up in the morning around 12 a.m. till 3, sometimes 4. Today it was almost 5. He was still awake. But I still love him. He's my son. Thank you, John. Thank you. Good morning. Sometimes I really need to help the mother. Sorry. Like now he's hungry. He wants to eat. Sorry. You see, I'm eating, you're not eating. Don't worry, very soon we'll be eating together. Hmm? Sorry. Didi. I don't understand what you said, man. She's not rapping. She's actually living like this. Okay. Oh, sorry. So I did not sleep in the night. See my eyes. For how many days now I've not had good sleep because of my boy. Because sometimes the mother will be tired. She'll need to rest. And John, thank you. She'll need to rest, so I will need to assist her, you know, so that she can rest, so that then me, I will take over from where she stopped. So with that, for me to sleep is another thing. I have to take care of this little cute boy. Yeah, I enjoy it. Like, I never for once, one day I will be changing diaper, but today I do it. Even though sometimes when I change it, please subscribe to this channel and then like. Sometimes when I change the diaper, sometimes the first time I did, the diaper was not correct. The way I changed it, the diaper was looking, excuse me, kind of funny. So my wife told me that this is the way they change the diaper. So I adjust to it, and then as I change the diaper, but I'm not perfect yet. I'm still trying to make it look good. Uh, I'm not perfect in changing diaper, but I'm still trying. Didi. I'm just trying to understand what you're saying, man. My phone is kind of far away from me, so I can't read the comment the way I should. But let me check my other phone. So please subscribe. Sorry. Sorry, don't cry. Mommy is coming, do not cry. Mommy is coming, do not cry. Mommy is coming, do not cry. Mommy is coming. Oh, you want to sleep? Oh, he wants to sleep. That's why he's making all those funny noise. He wants to sleep. I'm a happy father in a happy home. And my boy too is very happy. Like low key slay. Low key slay. Thank you. Do you know the way? What kind of way are you talking about? Didi. Although Didi is asking, do you know the way? What kind of way? Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for joining this live broadcast this morning. Live stream with my little boy on the door, Josiah Shimatawi. This is my baby. My cute Josiah baby. We're preparing to go out. So I'm just waiting for the mom to get ready so that we can go out. So I'm trying to put them so together. The boy is sleeping. You're not allow somebody to sleep at night, so when you wake up now, you'll be sleeping. My son has a YouTube channel, King Josiah on the door. He has his own YouTube channel. Yeah, we are still building it. You are sleeping, you don't want to talk to your fans. children, when they want to sleep, they will cry. When they want to eat, they will cry. When they want to do so many things, they will cry. You know, this fatherhood is kind of a school that I'm learning. This is another school entirely because I've not been in this kind of life before. This is my first time, and it's good, interesting. It's a sweet life. So you too, you can try it. Mm. Sina is busy sleeping. Guys, like, share, comment. Let's know where you're watching us from. My boy is sleeping right now, so I'll just hold him. Should be in his father's arm. Some of you fathers will have the same experience I'm having now. You know, when I was not yet married, sometimes I said to myself, how am I going to cope with all those children crying at night? You know, I was just asking myself, how am I going to cope? But today I'm here. I'm coping. And each day passes by, we're making progress. So sometimes you need to venture into something before you conclude. Sometimes you feel like, oh, you cannot do it. But if you check, you have the strength to do it. It's because you have not been through it. That's why you feel like that. This rice is sweet though. But that's say your rice is sweet. What are we going to do? Tomato, pẹ̀lú you onion. We on a come kwa kile tuje mchana kwa roto. The boy is sleeping peacefully. Peacefully. Fine boy. Fine boy, no pimples. Hi. So me nyaba. I know that guy still in a long father. I'm a man and a man. So fire. What's watching a lune in Yasham get complete chair. Oh, beautiful morning. Kamimi. Mshia kwa na yote na. Sorry.
Correct one. Young so maybe the sugar was so cool. Hey, no quarter.
The boy is sleeping right now, so the boy is sleeping, so that's why I'm kind of quiet.
Okay, thank you
If
very
I
much.
talk to somebody, he will just shake his body.
Okay, no problem. What's we did? Mm. Mm.
Sleeping, baby, sleeping. Sleeping, baby, sleeping. Che cosa lo vigna che lo è ci è vero, eh?
No, they told me what I have for my to me free love money.
Definitely so. Yeah.